Let's connect Adpump to wecantrack so your conversions track automatically. From the left menu, open Data Sources, then Affiliate Networks. Search for Adpump in the list. Open it, then click Create Account. Give your account a name you will recognize later. Adpump connects with a postback URL. A postback is a server-to-server message that tells wecantrack the moment a conversion happens. Click Create Postback URL and wecantrack generates your unique postback URL. Copy it, then in Adpump, paste it into your postback settings either as a global postback or on a specific offer. Back in wecantrack, your Adpump account is now connected and ready to track conversions. That's it, no developer needed. Check our other integration guides.